Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm going to dye my hair red with henna. So I have really thick hair. Very thick. This is all my hair. So I am using Night Blooming henna from Etsy, and I will link it down below. And she recommends if you have very thick hair to buy 3, but I have very thick hair, so I bought 4 of these packets. And I have dyed my hair with henna before, probably about 8 or 9 years ago. It's all grown out. There's no more henna in my hair. This is all natural. I cut it off. But I kind of miss red hair and I wanted something new. So now we're gonna do it again. And I have to go change my clothes because this is a nice shirt. And this stuff is messy. Alright guys, my hair is done. I washed it out, and I washed it for like 30 minutes. Trying to get all of the henna out. This is what it looks like. I really like it. It's really bright up here. You see that? I got a little bit on my skin and it kind of turned it orange. And I missed some spots in the back, but you know, that is what it is. Let me try to get it in a better light. All right, you guys can see how just deliciously orange it is. It's more subdued back here, but I have some highlighted pieces up here where my hair was blonder. Let me see if it's better over here. I really like it. I did make a big mess. It does smell like tea because henna is a plant. But I love it. I think I will try to do it again in 3 months when my roots grow out, and try to get more of these back pieces right here. There's my henna hair. I'm a redhead now. Let's see how bright it is.